6 Hotel Papa, Aurora Tower, hold short, runway 27, traffic landing 9er.
Holding short 27, 1 at the Papa. Alright, we're just gonna wait for a guy to land, maybe a couple of guys. And once that's all done with, then they'll clear us for takeoff.
November 9 Whiskey Foxtrot, turn right at Charlie, and then contact ground, traffic going in position on 27.
Okay, no problem, take a right, and then contact ground. I appreciate it, that was fun to do.
West America 1 Hotel Pop, traffic turn off on Charlie, runway 27, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 27, 1 at the Papa. Oh.
West American 1 Hotel Papa, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 27, 1 at the Papa.
This is 0 Juliet Alpha, base now, your discretion, runway 27, clear for the option.
Option 0 Juliet Alpha, base my discretion.
We're going to line up right down the runway, get the nose nice and straight, power smoothly up to full.
Tower 95 Romeo's ready to go 27.
95 Romeo, hold short, runway 27, waiting release.
Hold short.
Gears coming up. Well, if you'd like, you can go ahead and get on the controls here. And just take the airplane, hold the nose straight ahead, make sure the wings are level. Hold it straight with the rudder pedals. And make sure you hold the pitch attitude too. Don't let the nose go up, but don't let it drop either. Just hold what you got right here. This is perfect.
So she's ready to do it after traffic chart final, runway 27, clear for the option.
Clear option 27 0 Juliet Alpha.
Oh, you're doing a great job holding it straight ahead. Now it's time to try some basic turns.
95 Romeo, contact departure.
So let's start with a turn to the right. So gently give me some right stick and right rudder. Get the wings tank. Put a little back pressure on it so the nose doesn't drop while you're turning, because remember how it always wants to drop, right? So very good. You got to turn it around nice and good.
Filling off at 2 left turns, taxi runway 27, unless you'd like to try 36.
Now let's come on back to the left.
You know what, Tower? Actually, that was my last one. I'd like to taxi back to Luminaire.
Unable, you gotta do 2 more. I'm kidding, taxi to Luminaire.
Taxi to Luminaire for Lima Alpha.
There you go, that's pretty good. Slow, let's go wings level again. Very good. So we're going to keep climbing for another couple of minutes till we get up to around 5,500 or 6,000 feet. And then we'll level off there and start the aerobatics.
Okay.
You doing good back there?
Yeah, I'm going to close the canopy now.
Okay. And let's come on back over to the right. You see how all the roads and the farm fields are aligned on that direction? Let's just turn right until we're going exactly parallel to all of those, and we'll line up straight. high enough. Go ahead and lower the nose a little bit now. A little more. And right about there. So this is our level attitude. Now I got the airplane for a second, so I can trim it off.
Forward rider at the program, 4 miles from the sea.
Alright, you want to start some aerobatics? Yep. Cool, right on. Just going to do a nice big set of clearing turns here to make sure that nobody else is around in the same area as us. And back around to the right. The first one we're going to do is a roll. And I'm going to fly it. If you'd like to, you can stay on the controls along with me here so we can go through all the motions together. Okay, how does what?
Hi, Chicago at o'clock. Funny departing with quarter until Chicago.
Okay, ready? Ready. We're going to pull the nose up about 30 degrees above the horizon. We're going to stabilize it here and roll it over. Stick all the way to the left and the rudder's a little bit to the left as well. We hold them there, pull our right side up, and we pull out of that dive. What do you think? You want to give it a try? What? I want to one more time. Oh, we'll do one more together. We'll go to the right. We'll go to the right this time. So we're going to pull up, stabilize, and roll.
And at Gauntlet Warbirds, Captain 506 Golf to the southeast corner, moving over to the northeast corner. We have the T-6 in the
Go ahead and lower the nose, get some speed. Make sure the nose is still straight, the wings are still level. And go ahead and pull now. A little faster. Okay, stabilize there and roll it over. Full stick to the left, all the way. Stick all the way into your knee, all the way. Don't push forward. Keep rolling, don't push forward. Keep rolling. And there you are. And come on up, pull out of that dive. Cool, I got the airplane. Got a lot of excess airspeed coming out of the bottom of that roll, so we're going to convert that airspeed into altitude by pulling up here. Alright, you want to see what, how you doing in the stomach? 100%. Cool. You want to see what a loop looks like? Yes. Why don't we try okay, we'll do a loop together here. Again, I'm flying it, you can stay with me on the controls. So to come on down here, get her, Okay. You ready? Ready. Up we go. Now look off one of your wingtips to keep track of your orientation. Now look over the nose. We'll just come down through the horizon and just follow this road all the way down through the bottom. You're going to get a little heavier again. Squeeze your legs, squeeze your stomach. There you are. You want to try it yourself? Sure. Okay, you got the airplane. Your airspeed is good, so go ahead and just pull up from where you are now. A little harder. A little harder, please. Harder yet. Harder. Good. This is good. Just keep the wings nice and square to the ground. Gradually increase the back pressure. There you are. Pretty good. You want to try another one? Sure. Go for it. So you got plenty of airspeed. Just go ahead and pull. Make sure the wings are nice and square. Pull up a little bit harder, please. A little harder. Good. Now just look out the nose. Just keep following the roads. Get the wings nice and square. Squeeze harder and harder as you come out the bottom. Harder and harder. There you go. All right. Cool. I got the plane. Oh, we're going to do a barrel roll. And the barrel roll, we're going to pull straight up first. And after the nose is about 45 degrees above the horizon.
Middle of the runway, I got the rope behind me.
Then we're going to start rolling to the left. We'll stick and rudder together. Okay, ready? Ready. Here we are. We got plenty of airspeed. We're going to pull up. Now look to the left. Look far away at the horizon. See, we're going up. Now we're going to twist the airplane over. We're going to put the nose right on the roads there here, going 90 degrees off. Now stay on the nose. as we come out the bottom, and we're going to return to the same heading we started on. That's the barrel roll. You want to give it a shot? You want to give it a shot?
I can try. I don't know if I'll be able to do it.
I'll talk you all the way through it. And if you start biffing, I'm just going to take it over, so you don't worry about it. You got the airplane. Go ahead and lower the nose. We've got to get some speed first. So put it down a couple of inches below the horizon. Make sure the wings are still level and the nose is straight. Put it down a little further. Okay, now pull up. A little faster, please. A little faster, a little faster. A little harder, 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 harder. Now pull back and to the left. A little left rudder as well. Pull back a little more. Pull back. Alright, roll harder. Roll to the left harder. Alright, stay here. Back and to the left. Back and to the left. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Alright, we got a little bit off of our set of axes here, but that's okay. We got it done. Okay, I got the plane. Okay, ready?
Ready.
We're going to push down. We're going to get our speed, 150 knots. Once we have that, we're going to just pull back. Nice and hard. Ready? Here we go. Up we go. Now look out the nose. Now we're going to stop pulling. We're going to roll to the right. Hard over. And there we are. Hey, you want to try one?
Sure.
Alright, you got the plane. Airspeed is good. We're going to pull. A little harder, 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 harder. Keep it up, keep it up. Now keep going. Now relax on that pull. Roll to the right with everything she's got. Don't push forward though. Alrighty. You got any particular favorites picked out of all the stuff so far?
I like doing the loop.
Alright, you want to do we'll do one last one here before we go home. You got the plane.
Okay.
Come on down, get a little speed. I'll tell you when you're ready. Make sure the nose is straight. Make sure the wings are level. Okay, speed's good. Go ahead and pull. A little harder. Good.
Papa Delta, turning base, sky soaring.
Make sure the wings are square. Good. Add on the back pressure now. You got to get heavier and heavier. Good. All right, great job. I got the plane. And we're going to head back on home. You see the airport at your 2 o'clock?
Papa Delta, turning final.
Yes. Altitude 1. Gauntlet Aerobatics, 1 Alpha Papa, exiting the east at 5,000. Now we're 1,000 feet over the ground. We level off. We're going to cruise level now.
Andrew Roar Tower 4, Mike Alpha, would like to request frequency change?
Oh, Mike Alpha, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, east at 3,000 feet southbound, frequency change approved.
And we're looking for the traffic. Have a good one. 4 Mike Alpha.
We're note that pop, start the brake, runway 9 clear to land.
We'll land at 1 Alpha. Open your canopy. Inside lights. 15 inches, flaps are down, clear to land. A base, here, clear to land. Brakes are brought forward.
Cessna 27 Bravo, thanks for that. Allow the guy to come in and practice on 9, another right downwind, runway 27.
Yeah, turn them out that one, runway 27, no problem.
North American 1 Hotel Papa, turn right on Charlie, taxi to Gauntlet, stay with me.
Right at Charlie, taxi to Gauntlet, where are you on, Papa?